Hello, young scientists. It is I, the dumb scientist. I'm wearing these because one, the dryer's on. Don't trust me with dryers. And two, I got a science kit. Dun 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 dun. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do random stuff that's in here. So yeah, let it commence. Alright, so what's in here? This is bottle. It's empty. That's going to be useful. There is a pot. Oh my god, it's a book. Die, book, die. Alright, see. So let's see what we are going to be doing today. Ooh, don't know what these are. So, put them on top of the matches. I have to move it back here so I can actually get into what is in there. What is this? Sodium carbohydrates. Is this the glue? Please say it's glue. Yes, glue. That's the best bit. Ooh, it's a slim powder. Look, it even says there. Comment. Doesn't that say slim powder? Comment in. I don't know. A pot. Yeah, always useful to have a pot. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's heavy. Oh my god! Sand. What everyone needs in their life is sand. And here's the best bit. Here, guys. It's a volcano. Alright, we're actually gonna have to need this book. The Dweebus book. Explosive experiment. So I gotta read this one-handed. I'll just do this off camera. One sec. Guys, I've read the Dweebus manual, and all we need to do now is put a teaspoon of that in vinegar, quickly put the lid on, and it should explode. So I'm just going to have to go off camera again, sorry, so I could just do this. Alright, see you in a sec. Alright, so I've got everything sorted. All we've got to do now is oh no, I didn't get the lid on. Oh no, I need to move that. Can't go like that. Well, that failed. Let's try again. Yeah, that was fun. A bit more vinegar. Yeah, vinegar. You gotta love the vinegar. Yeah. Alrighty then, so that's vinegar. Gotta go. I need a bit more vinegar. Yeah, I think I used like all the vinegar on that. There we go. Well, that's a good explosion, that is. Alright guys, that concludes today's video. Please subscribe and like the video. If not, then I will kill you in your sleep with this volcano. Goodbye!